Welcome. If you want to connect to the Wi-Fi network in your CAT S40, at the first you have to simply open notification bar and then just click on this icon and this place. Right now we got a list of all available networks. I'm going to connect to Zenfone 7 Pro. So tap on the network that you want to connect. Next, input password. If you want to see your password, click to show. In my case, it's very common: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right now click connect, and as you can see, after a few moments we successfully changed the network. So right now you are able to open your browser or whatever you want and then just enjoy internet connection. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.